Hi, I'm Anne Ogden-Gaffney and welcome to the Cook for Your Life YouTube channel. Today we're going to be talking about peppers. Now there are so many different kinds of peppers. There are red ones, green ones, yellow ones, orange ones. There are poblano peppers, chili peppers, jalapeno peppers. We could go on and on and on. They're all the same family and they're really great for you. They all have vitamin C, they have vitamin B12, they have vitamin K. They're just really good for you. And the hot chili peppers, ones which are my personal favorites, those ones have capsaicin, which is quite a powerful antioxidant, and they're really great for you. They all have vitamin C, they have vitamin B12, they have vitamin K. They're just really good for you. So let's get looking at peppers. Look and learn.